that I can listen. I cannot be seen, but I can be heard. So as you stand upon the shore, gazing at the beautiful sea, as you feel upon the flower and admire its simplicity, remember me. Remember me in your heart, your thoughts, your memories of the times we loved, the times we cried, the times we fought, the times we laughed. For if you always think of me, I will never have gone. Thank you guys. Love you.
Tonight it's very clear as we're both lying here. There's so many things I wanna say. I will always love you. I would never leave you alone. Sometimes I just forget, say things I might regret. It breaks my heart to see you crying. I don't wanna lose you. I could never make it alone. I am a man who will fight for your honor. I'll be the hero you're dreaming of. We'll live forever, knowing together that we did it all for the glory of love. You keep me standing tall. You help me through it all. I'm always strong when you're beside me. I have always needed you. I could never make it alone. I am a man who will fight for your honor. I'll be the hero you've been dreaming of. We'll live forever, knowing together that we did it all for the glory of love. It's like a knight in shining armor from a long time ago. Just in time I will save the day. Take you to my castle far away. I am a man who will fight for your honor. I'll be the hero that you're dreaming of. We're gonna live forever, knowing together that we did it all for the glory of love. We'll live forever, knowing together that we did it all for the glory of love. We did
Okay, I'm Tricia Kopp, and I have been a friend of Linda and Bob's for a long, long time. He was a special man. He's leaving his mark. The way he treated the children and what he was to Linda and their life together, everyone will remember that. And he was such an interesting, intelligent, fun, and he loved to talk like me, so we could go on for hours. But Bob, I know you're in a good place and you're looking down on us.
Go ahead. Ready? Go ahead. Hi! Thank you for being such a good dad to me. Love you.
Awesome.
I just wanted to say that Bob was a one of a kind. He had a very unique sense of humor, and I always remember us speaking our German to each other, and we loved German food, and we'd go to all these different restaurants and try everything out. So rest in peace, Bob, but give him hell wherever you are.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Hi Bob, thank you for always being that like great granddad that I never had, and your jokes were amazing.
Hey Bob, I had a lot of good times, especially when we go to these lobster fests and what have you, and all the times we spent together were truly good times, and talking back when we were in the military and all, and we had some pretty rough times, but we came out winners, so good knowing you.
Halloween parties were the best, Bob.
Yeah.
You could do the New Smyrna Beach crawl really good. Cara.
You want to say something?
Did you have one?
I'm good.
Okay.
Well, I didn't think I'd be doing a water toast for Bobby because that never happened. But here is to the Moon King of Van Cleef. May he reign forever. He was great and the best. He was excellent at what he did.
Yeah. Next, Bobby was the king of vodka too. He loved his drinks, as we did too. And we used to always sit, and he used to go down to, where's that place he used to go to?
Which place? Pietro's. That was
we
one.
had a wonderful time. He was a wonderful man. Wonderful man.
Giving, kind-hearted.
I'm his neighbor as well as a friend, and we just had too many good times. They were always exciting,
Funny.
funny, different,
Funny. Yes.
and we look forward to them. And there were many of them also. It was great.
Thank you, ladies.
One thing more. The first time I met Bobby, he excused himself after dinner and put on his tutu and ballet shoes and did a dance for us in the living room.
I didn't see that.
I lived here then.
Didn't see that, but I would have liked to have seen that.
Thank you.
Thank you, ladies.
Bob, I've known Bob since he moved into this house here. I was his lieutenant down at South Beach Fire Station. And I was down there with him for 8.5 years as a fireman down there. And he was a super nice guy. And I miss him dearly.
Hey there, I'm Melissa Laddie. My son is Sam Laddie. We had a lovely opportunity to be a soccer family with this great family, the McMillans, and went to many soccer games with Bob, and he will always be remembered as just a true patriot, a wonderful, wonderful example for these kids, and he'll be truly missed. So God bless you, Bob. Thanks.
Hi, Bobby. I hope you had a good time today with all of us, and we're going to meet you sometime soon, but in the meantime, be our angel, and we're so happy that you're out of your pain, and I just love you so much. I miss you.
Amen.
Well, I didn't really get to see him a lot, but I hope he's in a better place now.
Dreams that you dream of, dreams real.